Samsung's next Galaxy Z Fold 7 is creating a lot of excitement because to a new leak that provides us a detailed look at its changing design and crucial characteristics. If the rumors are correct, the Z Fold 7 might be one of the most sophisticated and luxurious foldables we've seen yet. The newest leaked graphic shows the back look of the Galaxy's Fold 7. While it keeps Samsung's iconic vertical triple camera configuration, there is a notable difference. The LED flash has been moved. This apparently minor change may indicate a more significant camera update, with rumors pointing to a 200-megapixel main sensor. For Samsung to deliver that sort of photographic capability to a foldable would be a huge step forward, particularly given the tighter size and thermal limits that foldables often face. Design-wise, the Fold 7 looks to be thinner than its predecessor. According to the leaked data, when unfurled, it would be just 3.9 mm thick. That is very tiny for a gadget with flagship-level technology and a big foldable display. Samsung is definitely trying for increased mobility and aesthetics while maintaining durability. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, which is a proprietary high-performance processor created in partnership with Qualcomm. It will most likely include 12 GB of RAM, allowing for easy multitasking and high performance. Despite the slimmer design, Samsung is anticipated to maintain a 4,400 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging. This consistency in battery size shows that Samsung has discovered methods to enhance interior space efficiency, potentially via tighter component integration or redesigning thermal arrangements. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to launch in July 2025, during Samsung's second Galaxy Unpacked event of the year. The Fold 7 could be the foldable to watch in 2025. So, given all Samsung seems to be throwing into the Galaxy Z Fold 7, from a potential 200MP camera to a sleeker, lighter design, it's evident that foldables are no longer a novelty. They are turning into full-fledged flagships, capable of competing with the finest of the best. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.